Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on a day. I just want to take this opportunity to wish all of the mothers a very happy Mother's Day. It has been a tough day for me, but God is good. I didn't know what kind of post to do today. My head was all over this place. So what I did was, I wrote a poem. Me did just take a pen and a paper and me just start write. So let me share it with you now. Today a Mother's Day, but the work with upon a mother's shoulder make it seem like every day a Mother's Day. As me day I reflect, my heart full. I can't forget all of the women them that have played a very integral role in a female life. As so much of them, if me did fi name them, the internet would have just shut down from information overload. To me mother, Miss Gloire, aka Judgy, you left me 1 year ago, but the memory still a linger. Thank you for the provider you were. The amount of time me see your run fi catch Grey Miss bus just to reach Lloydersville post office to ensure so we would have food for it. Me can't count them at too much time. All of my achievements is because of you. Education was of utmost importance. Me remember when you did tell Miss Grace to save the eye, but put on licks if me no want comply. When me pass the Alpha, me can't forget how you take your last dollar and buy me uniform and me brown socks and me brown shoes, and then you sit down for 2 hours and crush me belt because that was what you was good at. Crushing. You wanted to ensure that me look my best when me enter 26 South Camp Road. You was a real comedian, you know. Judgy, you was a real comedian. People have it say, are you me get me talent from? Not to mention, oh, you was a clean freak. If house never clean, me could have stand a mile away and hear your mouth. Thank you, because now my picnic them a tell me, oh, me I need freak. So me just tell them, say me can't help it, you know, because I'm a mother me grow up with. How could I not give tribute to me granny, Miss Selva, aka Mum? My granny, Miss Selva, you left me 27 years ago, but me have so much memories I don't know where to start. Thank you for all the times we climb fairly ill to go a good work church, whether we go Sunday service, prayer meeting, or fasting. Back then, me used to make up my face, especially when the service long. Little did I know you were setting me up for success, because soon me realized that without God, me can't do nothing regardless of how hard me try. Me remember when me used to follow you go a bush, whether fi dig yam hill, cut banana, pick chocolate or pick coffee. All when the mosquito them a bite and the eat a scotch whip on we back, you would have say, Andra gal, we soon done. No make no sense we put off what we can do today for tomorrow, cause tomorrow no promise to any man. I never understood it then. But as me get older, me realize those were the small things that taught me that hard work, patience and determination pays off. Me remember when you would have cooking at the big pot and feed the entire district. Kindness and compassion was deeply embedded in you, you know, Miss Selva. It is no wonder people did love you so. Now, because of you, me depend on internet, I share the wonderful memories of growing up in a country with you. Miss Selva, you would have proud of me today. Come there tell people all over the world your stories. Happy Mother's Day.